All right, everyone, gather around because today we're diving into the essential preparations for the upcoming Hamster Combat Airdrop. Yes, you heard that right. This isn't just any ordinary airdrop. This is your chance to maximize your rewards and ensure you're ready to dominate the competition. Let's break down the steps you need to take to guarantee you're fully equipped for this epic event. First things first, let's talk about Telegram Premium. If you haven't already, you need to invest in this. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Why spend money when you can go without? But hear me out. With Telegram Premium, you're not just getting a subscription, you're unlocking a treasure trove of benefits. For instance, having Telegram Premium in Dog's Airdrop would have given you an additional 6,000 dogs, which translates to about $10. Considering the subscription fee is only $4, you're already making a profit. This is a no-brainer. You're not just paying, you're investing in your hamster combat success. Now, on to the next crucial step, getting to Lord level. This is key, and the good news is, it can be achieved in less than a week if you commit to playing the Hexa puzzle daily. I'm talking about a simple daily routine that can elevate your status significantly. If you're mining at a capped rate of 60 million coins per day, you'll hit that Lord level in no time. Trust me, it's less than 7 days of consistent effort, and the rewards will be well worth it. But that's not all. You need to log in daily to maximize your gains. This is your chance to rack up keys and snag those free mythical skins. By playing the Polysphere game, the puzzle game, and simply logging in every day, you can accumulate over 150 keys. If you start from zero, that's a solid haul. It takes just about 10 minutes to earn 4 keys in the Polysphere game, and the best part? No ads to watch. If you've already played through all the levels, don't hesitate. Clear the app's data and start from scratch. It's a simple trick that can keep those keys flowing. Now, let's talk about leveling up your PPH, or points per hour. Once you've reached Lord level, your hamster coin balance won't be as useful anymore, so you'll want to use it strategically. Invest those coins in special cards that will boost your PPH. This is where the real game begins. The higher your PPH, the more you'll be able to earn, and that's what we're all after, right? And don't forget about the tasks in the Earn section. You might think you need to sit through videos, but that's not the case. You can simply click through the tasks, minimize YouTube, and go about your day. You can play the game or do whatever else you enjoy while still completing those tasks. It's all about efficiency, folks. Make the most of your time. Finally, let's not overlook the importance of buying skins. This is where you can really flex your strategy. Purchase every skin you can afford. They might just turn into NFTs later on, and who knows what that could mean for your investment? It's a gamble, but one that could pay off handsomely. So there you have it. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to maximizing your Hamster Combat Airdrop. Remember, preparation is key, and with these strategies in your arsenal, you'll be ready to conquer. Good luck, CEO! Go out there and get it!